Alright, here's a story I shouldn't be telling you, but I will anyway. Killing and cooking insects? So I drove down to my parents' on the weekend, but when I got out of my car, I felt a sharp pain on my neck. A stinging! Ooh, ouch, ooh. Yes, I was stung by a bee. Listen, me and the bees got a deal going. I leave their flowers alone and they don't fucking kill me. But this time I was stung for no reason. So I decided to investigate. I had a feeling this had to do with my dad. I walked to the back and there's Jack, my dog. The guy has a swollen paw. At first I was like, damn Jack, take it easy on the doggy style pawn. But I realized he was stung by a bee too. Thank God, Jack. Thank doggy God. Suddenly, I hear a zzz noise. I walk toward the sound and the noise gets louder. Zzz, stay away. Zzz. And there it is. A beehive. How the hell did a beehive magically appear in my backyard? I investigate further. Walk into my dad's room to find a monster. A monster. It had been stung too. He tells me, I find a beehive in the tree. I take home because... honey! Dad goes out the back, puts his hand in the beehive and grabs out a chunk of honey. There's honey, but there's also mushy honeycomb and a lot of dead bees in it. It was disgusting. Oh God. Dad, stop that. See, this is fresh honey. Oh, so good. Oh my God, I sting my tongue. People in the neighborhood started getting attacked, so we had to get rid of them. It's unbelievable. Oh my God.